Attrition can have a huge impact on the profitability of a company. This is due to the cost of hiring and the loss of productivity caused by unfilled positions. In this module, we will talk about the main reasons for talent attrition and some strategies to retain talent. So what causes high talent turnover? Most employers think that attrition is because of low compensation. And yes, that is the case sometimes. But it is not the number one reason. In most cases, there are three prominent reasons for high employee turnover. The first major cause of employee turnover is poor hiring decisions. The second one is poor relationship with the boss, colleague or team members. And the third reason is lack of support or poor support from management in terms of employee development and engagement in the job. Let us now look at some of the ways we can adopt to reduce attrition. It is extremely important to plan the right hiring strategy for every job role. Some of the key questions to ask would be: what position are we hiring for? Do we have the job description in place? What are the key tasks to be performed by the incumbent for the role? What are the key results the person needs to drive? What are the performance indicators for such roles? How is the role going to expand over the next 1 or 2 years? What are the key knowledge, skills and behavioral attributes that are critical and desirable for the job role? What is the working style of the immediate superior and peers? What assessment tools and methodology do we need to use to hire the right fit candidate for the job role? Who will be involved in the selection process? While there can be more variables, the point is, it is advisable to have as much clarity on the overall ecosystem within which the role incumbent is expected to perform and then plan the most appropriate strategy to hire. Most people leave a relationship and not a job. You need to enable the new hire to manage their tasks and relationships well, right from the day they come on board. At the time of hiring, it is important to be aware of the working style of the immediate superior and the peers. Onboarding is not about just teaching the new hire about their job role and responsibilities. It is equally important to teach them about the company culture and how they can thrive every single day. Make them aware of the working style of the team they are going to interact with on a day-to-day basis. Lay out goals for them for their first week, first month, first 3 months, first 6 months, and their first year. This helps in aligning expectations and commit to a larger goal. Make sure they have every opportunity to talk with you about questions or any issues they may have. It will be a good idea to identify a mentor if you are tied up. Make sure the mentor doesn't act like a supervisor. Instead, they are there for new hires to lean on, to be a sounding board, and to welcome them to the company culture. Employees should feel like they can come to you with any and all ideas, questions, and concerns. They expect you to be honest and open with them about what's going on in the company and their own performance. Make sure you're communicating with them on a regular basis. Every employee looks for opportunities where they can use their skill sets and knowledge to shine and grow. It is important as a leader to provide the circumstances and the opportunities where people can be challenged and can continue to grow and learn. It is important to foster a climate of collaboration and deal with any conflicts right away, so they don't foster and become a problem. Provide the right type of leadership. Besides feedback to the individual, also include them in decision-making so that they feel engaged. We hope you liked some of these tips. If you would like to know more on talent retention strategies, contact us.
To know more, write to us at contact@iletsolutions.com. Additionally, you may visit our website at www.iletsolutions.com. iLet Solutions. Transforming learning.